Hey everyone, let's walk through how to access and use lesson plans on Sooth. There are two ways to open lesson plans. Option 1 is log into your Sooth account and click on the lesson plans link in the footer. This link will always be visible while you're logged in. And option 2 is visit our homepage at sooth.fyi, click on the resources tab in the top toolbar, and then select lesson plans from the drop-down menu. Once you're in, you'll be able to explore our ever-expanding library of turnkey lesson plans designed for educators. These cover a wide range of fascinating topics shaping the world today, from finance and economics to science, international affairs, and information literacy. To open a lesson plan, simply click anywhere within its box and you'll be directed to a page that breaks down the full lesson plan. At the top, you'll find an introduction paragraph explaining the lesson's contents, a list of resources to support the lesson, learning objectives, and potential research questions you can assign to students. Now let's take a closer look at the resources section. The first resource is a downloadable lesson plan PDF. When you click it, it opens in a PDF format and provides a detailed overview of the lesson. On page 2, you'll find a list of recommended Sooth features that help you implement the lesson plan. Each feature includes a hyperlink tutorial video so you and your students can easily access and watch it at any time. On page 3, you'll find a student worksheet featuring the potential research questions mentioned on the first page. The second resource is a link to a research collection that contains bookmarked sources related to that lesson plan's topic. Click on the link to open it. If you're not signed into your Sooth account, you'll be prompted to log in first. Once open, you'll see a range of diverse, authoritative sources you can use to tailor the lesson plan to your classroom. From here, you can open a bookmark by clicking on its title, bookmark an article into your own personal private collections using the Productivity and Collaboration Tools menu, copy the entire collection into your own personal collections list by clicking the Copy to Collection button at the top, or share the collection with your students and colleagues by clicking the Share button for a link, or by using the link available in the Lesson Plans tab. To explore additional lesson plans, click the arrow in the top left corner of your screen. You can scroll through the list, or search for a specific topic by typing a keyword in the search bar at the top right and then clicking Search. And be sure to check back often. We're adding new lesson plans every week. Alright folks, that's a step-by-step guide to navigating lesson plans on Sooth. Thank you for watching.